First flight. Pre-flight preparations. First, open the product case. Take out the drone and the battery of the aircraft. Gently press the buckle of the gimbal cover, removing the protective cover. Then unfold the front and rear arms of the aircraft, confirming they are in place and secure. Next, unfold all the propellers and install the aircraft battery, checking whether the battery is properly installed. And finally, insert the micro SD card into the card slot at the rear of the aircraft, and the aircraft is ready to deploy. Take out the remote controller, unfold the antenna, and ensure that the aircraft is nearby for the best connectivity. Press and hold the power button of the aircraft for 3 seconds to power on the aircraft. Press and hold the power button on the top of the remote controller for 3 seconds to power it on, and it will automatically enter the app. From there, complete the pre-flight inspection according to the app prompts and get ready for takeoff. Takeoff and landing. Always keep a safe distance from the aircraft and face the tail of the aircraft when preparing to fly. Move the control sticks of the remote controller inwards or outwards to start the aircraft. After the propellers rotate, push upward the control stick lightly to manually take off the aircraft. The joystick mode is set to the Mode 2 by default, with the left stick controlling ascent, descent, and nose orientation, and the right stick controlling the aircraft's lateral movement, that is, forward, backward, and left and right. If the aircraft has not taken off, move downward the left command stick. The aircraft motors will be turned off. If the aircraft has taken off, move downward the left command stick. The aircraft will land accordingly. Storage after flight. Power off the aircraft. Cover the gimbal and fold the arms and propellers completely for storage. Power of the remote controller. Fold and store the antenna. Put the aircraft battery, remote controller, and any other accessories into their corresponding slots of the case. Close and fasten the lock of the box, and storage is complete. Thanks for watching.